Hi everyone. You all know that I've had a long-standing affiliation with VIOFO dash cameras. Now, even well before I started using the affiliate links and saving my viewers and subscribers 5% on their dash cams, I always used VIOFO cameras. And this little clip that we're going to have a look at today proves why it's absolutely important for you to use a dash cam. That situation could have gone wrong as well. This incident happened on the 16th of October this year in the US. It was close to John F. Kennedy Airport in New York, and the clip's been viewed millions of times on all different platforms all around the world, and it was recorded on a VIOFO A129 Plus dashcam.
That's terrible, honestly. Like, if you know you're falling asleep like that, you need to pull over. Get out the highway. Like, I didn't know what to do. I was like, yo, should I honk? Like, that's literally an accident waiting to happen. Should I honk to, like, wake his ass up? Or, like, what if he's drunk? Like, you know?
He could be anything, honestly.
But it's crazy. Like, he had one hand on the... What the... Oh, my God!
What happened, babe?
Oh! Ah! Oh, my God! What is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I'm shaking.
My god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Oh my
babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on, okay?
The next piece of footage where these scammers realise that they've been recorded on dashcam is priceless. Do you notice someone's also just got out of the right hand door of the car and they're going ahead to the Kia that's just pulled in, and then the Kia drives off. There was a fair bit of damage to Natasha's car, who was the driver, but it was really fortunate that the driver behind was driving at the correct distance. But of course they would be, because they're obviously involved.
Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Oh my god, what is he doing?
Babe, what happened?
Did you also notice how close the driver was behind this Kia? That could have easily ended up in a multi-car pile-up. And it's also a little difficult to tell whether this next vehicle has also been damaged. It may just be the lack of sunlight to the left-hand side.
I'm okay.
Call 911 and explain I'm going to drive and come to you.
Okay. Right,
Natasha did call the police, and the police are investigating. But this incident was featured on national news, so the word got out about this vehicle, and it was quickly found. And members of the public dished out their own punishment. I understand why they do this, but I don't agree. I would just inform the police and let them deal with it. At the point in making this video, I don't think these people have been found yet, but I hope they are found by the police. They've purposefully put people's lives at risk, and they deserve jail time in my opinion. The clip did also feature on Next-based dashcam channel, where they tried to pass the footage off as their own. Now I'm not sure whether Natasha authorised this. Doesn't matter really though, it was shot on a VIOFO. Eventually a tow truck turned up, but these scammers didn't want to lift. They just drove off.
it's just that...
What would have happened if that lady had not been using a dashcam? Well, who knows? It would have been her word against the third party on exactly what happened. Having a dashcam gives you that clear evidence of what exactly has gone on. Now, the camera system that I run in my own car on a daily basis is the A139 Pro. It's a 3-channel system. We've got the inside footage, and that for me is super important. The resolution can go up a lot higher than I actually use it at. I only use it at 2K. It can go up to 4K. But I only use it at 2K, and I've got my reasoning for that. I still think the footage is excellent. Have a little look for yourself and you can see the results out in front of you as you're watching this video. But it helps me with file size management. When I'm also doing the editing, it puts a little bit less pressure on the computer, so it helps me with that. And I honestly don't see a massive difference after I've uploaded to YouTube when it's running at 4K compared to 2. So for me, it's not really worth it. However, I've got those options if I need to. Now, VIOFO have been massively supportive of me over the years, and this situation is no exception. They did ask me to do a little analysis on this video because they support my quest in road safety, and they asked me to try and get this situation out to more people, and I agree. But what they've actually done as well is they've sent me a dash cam to give away. My dash cam's pretty good, but honestly the one that they've sent me is the A329. It's the new dash cam. It runs at 4K and it runs at 60 frames a second as well. And I had a chance to test this out in the US recently while I was over there, and that video will be coming out quite soon. But I've got one of these to give away. All you need to do is like the video, obviously be a subscriber. If you're not, please press that button now. And all you need to do to be in a chance, or be in the chance of winning this this great prize, is just comment VIOFO. Every comment that does comment VIOFO, I'm going to pick one at random and I'm going to try and get this dash cam out to you. I'm not even going to say UK only, because I'm going to do my best to try and get it to anyone in the world. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I've said that now, so that's how things are going to go. Big thanks to everyone who has supported the channel by using the affiliate links in the description to save yourself that 5%. Perhaps it's a good idea at this stage of the year to get someone a dash camera as a Christmas present, or if you're going to treat yourself, go off and treat yourself. Use my code Ashley, saves yourself a 5%. But a big thanks to VIOFO for their support, and a big thanks to everyone who watches. Keep safe, I'll see you all soon.